Racing just is started. Geraldine's break quickly at the start. Yes. Also showing speed. Nobody else at his glitter pace. Beat them all. Tooth Fairy comes next, then followed by Princess Teen. Red Cloud comes next. Irene's Dream. Exciting Girl getting the wide strip as they make the first turn is Words of Wisdom owning second less, while Iana is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have the Quick is riding yes on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 3/4 of a length lead. Glitter Face is right behind in second. Tooth Fairy is racing in third, and in fourth comes Beat Them All. Geraldine's comes next, then followed by Princess Teen alongside Red Cloud. Irene's Dream comes next. Words of Wisdom, Yana, Exciting Girl now second less, while owning now racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Glitter Face by a length. Not only inside is yes. In between horses now is Geraldine's Tooth Fairy. Irene's Dream moving upon the outside. Irene's Dream is on the outside, and finally it's Irene's Dream. Geraldine's, then comes Words of Wisdom, Tooth Fairy, Princess Teen, Glitter Face, Yana.
For race number 1, Bayang Karevista, numero 4, yan po si Irene's Dream Dihado para sa lahat ng tumaya dun sa numero 4.